Hello again from out at the forge. It's been a long minute since I did a video. Went on vacation a couple weeks ago, and then when I came back I had some health issues. Haven't spent much time out here at the forge. But today we're going to see if we can't make a little blade. I've got a piece of 3/16 high carbon steel, 1095, I don't know, probably inch and a quarter wide. I would like to make something with just a simple handle and kind of a wide blade with a straight spine. Just something simple. But we're going to get it hot, and who knows, I might change my mind midstream. Let's see what happens. Okay, we're going to start out with our simple little blade here. And we're going to start out by drawing a simple little taper on the end. That's going to be the point of the blade when we're done. Just draw it down, dress the taper and dress the thickness. It's not looking too bad. I'm going to take that curve out of it though. That's a little more of a bevel than I wanted. I should have had a shorter, steeper bevel, but it'll do. Got my square out, and I'm just going to measure where I want the heel of the blade to stop and the handle to start. I'd give myself, on a smallish blade, like a 4-inch handle, 4.5-inch handle. Just going to set it down. Warm things back up, set it down a little more. And don't worry about that big offset in what's going to be the handle. I'll take care of that in a minute. But first, we're going to draw bevels into the blade. I wanted the spine of this blade to be as straight as possible. I can tell you right now, I had too much taper on my point, so that's going to be tough. Right now, I'm just working my bevels out, about one hammer width at a time, until I got out to the end. I have my bevel established along the edge. I've left the edge kind of thick so I can do some profile work on this blade. Like so. Got the profile together. And I'm actually going to dress that point out straighter with gentle taps, and then also by drawing in more distal taper along the blade, and that will straighten that clip point out and make the spine a little more straight. It'll actually force the bow out of the curve out of the clip point by drawing a taper from where that curve starts out toward the tip. It's looking much more like what I wanted. Make sure everything's straight. Now we're going to take that offset out of the handle. I'm going to bring the spine of the knife in line with the handle. Dress a little more interest into the profile, a little more taper into the profile of the handle. Handle's a little long, but that's okay. I'll take care of that in the grinder. And since I don't like an absolutely straight handle, we're going to knock a little curve, just a little gentle curve into it. Doesn't have to be much. A little gentle curve. Knock the scale off. And there we go. Okay, so if you like that, be sure and hit that like and subscribe button. Be much appreciated. Leave us a comment in the comment section. And this is what we ended up with. It's not exactly what I wanted. Spine's not quite straight, but hey, it's good enough. All in all, I'm pretty happy with it. Anyway, thanks for watching. God bless and have a great day.